Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solutions and channel for daily job updates, great career insights, and everything you need to get hired faster in data and IT roles. So, today I have got a golden opportunity from Wipro, one of the India's top IT giant. So, if you are a Python developer or if you are a fresher looking to work as a Python developer, you have necessary skill sets, then this job is for you because this is one of the incredible opportunity from Wipro side. And but before diving into the details, make sure to watch this video till the end. I would like to share because I'll walk you through everything you need to know from the key responsibilities, skills needed, locations, and how you can apply. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from our end because we are bringing three important hiring daily on this particular YouTube channel. Now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the job title is of a Python developer, and it's based out of Bengaluru, and it's a full-time opportunity from a Wipro. So now let's understand a little bit about the company Wipro. So Wipro is basically a leading global technology service and consulting company, helping clients achieve digital transformations across industries with over 250,000 plus employees in 65 countries. Wipro is where innovation meets impact. So let's the purpose of the role is basically you will be designing, testing, and maintaining software programs for operating system or applications. Your solutions will be deployed directly at the client's end. So quality and efficiency are the key to success in this particular role. So you're basically getting to work with the client. So you're gonna get a lot of exposure as well. And now let's discuss the responsibilities, roles, and responsibilities at these particular organizations. So as you can see, the do's and all, kind of this. So you'll be basically, understanding product requirement and design, plus studying system flows, data uses, and work purpose, troubleshooting issues, and perform not root cause analysis, which is RWP, and I'm sorry, yeah, RCA. So, and also you'll be involved into improving system performance, working closely with functional teams and system analysts, and you'll also collaborate with project managers for capability insights, plus performing hands-on coding and automations along with evaluating software feasibilities and performances. You'll also be involved into setting up the test cases and automate validate processes. Not just that, you'll also be involved into debugging errors and optimizing performance, plus modifying or upgrading existing softwares, tracking log bugs and raising them as per norms or conditions or whatever the SLS that you have been given. And you also be maintaining documentations, flowcharts, and diagrams of all the things that you're doing, and you'll be involved into report status and progress regularly. These are all kind of your roles and responsibilities once you join Wipro. It's quite long actually, so don't confuse it. You can just read it properly before diving into the application process. So that's what it's all about. And what Wipro expect from the individual. So they want you to be very good, critical thinking and an analytical approach, plus error free, bug free code you will be able to write, plus proper client communication. So your communication is going to be the key. Plus you must have the agile mindset and high quality documentation skills with quick and accurate problem solving skill as well. So these all things are kind of skills that they are expecting from individual. Plus you also should have the MIS reporting skill and customer related skills that you can deal with the clients. And why one should apply for this role? So Wipro is transforming fast and wants people like you who are inspired by the reinvention, growth, and meaningful tech. So this is your chance to build futuristic solutions working with the world-class teams and level up your career. So, and also, equal opportunity accessibility was one to get at Wipro because Wipro is committed to diversity, equality, and inclusions. They welcome applicants from all backgrounds, including people from disabilities. If you need any accommodations during hiring, they will assist you throughout the process. So this is why we also apply to Wipro. And they also, warn you to stay away from any fraudulent hiring emails. If anything feels fishy, you can just complain it to the helpdesk.recruitment@wipro.com. They have given the mail. You can just check it out. And for application, you can directly check the link in description. I have mentioned the direct link to apply for this particular role. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible because the sooner the better. And that's everything you need to know about the Python developer role at Wipro. And if this sounds like a perfect match for your skills, don't wait, go ahead and apply today. The sooner the better, as I told already. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any question related to the hiring process or any other questions. You can just do that, comment that as well. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more daily job updates and mock interviews and tech tutorials. You can also subscribe to our other channel, which is Fast Tech, where we are bringing in-depth data analytics series with 20 plus hands-on projects. So yeah, that was all about this particular video. Until next time, keep applying, keep learning, and as always, forge onwards. See you in the next video.